going to connect MySQL server into Tableau. So we'll be looking how we are going to connect to a server where our database is hosted, and we'll be using MySQL for that, and we'll be using all the credentials that we need in order to log in to the server using Tableau and in order to view the data. So here, if we can see here, we have the following connectors installed. We have servers, databases, and all that. So we have different type of databases. We can see Google Analytics, MongoDB, and we have Google Cloud, BigQuery. So we'll be using MySQL here. So in order to connect to MySQL, we need some credentials in order to log in. So I already have my credentials here. It's escape room, the server name, its port. It's all it's same almost for everyone. So yeah, the port is the MySQL port which they hosted their server on. And we have the username here, and I already have the password, so I will just enter the password here. And now we just will sign in into a server. So after that, now it will execute the query. So it's automatically running. So if the credentials are right, so it will pop up another query and it will take us to a database in Tableau. If the query are wrong, so it will throw us an error. So it may take a while in first, but after it is loaded, so will not take it will not take much time. So it's just for the first time we have to wait a bit in order to load and check and connect to the database. So now it's run. It means that the credentials are correct. So now it's loaded to the database. So here we have the data. You can see here we have the database, we have MySQL here, we have the connections, and here we have the table in the database. So that's how we are going to connect to MySQL using Tableau with the following credentials.